Okay, so a lot of you are probably going to be wondering why we are using all of these clamps here, and the answer comes down to a phenomenon known as glass temper distortion, and that's where during the glass tempering strengthening process, the glass can actually get kind of deformed a little bit, and so we're actually using these clamps to make sure everything's kind of held in place while it's curing. Now, your next question might actually be, well, is that something you normally do in a factory setting, or you know, is that a problem we need to worry about? Do we need to worry about having a bunch of glass kind of sitting around our factory, clamped down, and everything else? And the answer is no. Normally, when you get photovoltaic glass, it's actually going to be manufactured to a little bit more rigorous standards. This glass was provided to us free of charge for the project, so we always love free stuff whenever we can. We're not exactly the world's most expensive outfit here. But the second caveat to that is, you know, maybe you have this factory in a more remote location. Maybe you don't necessarily have access to the same kind of rigorous controls upstream that, you know, a lot of these larger manufacturing facilities do have. And so, you know, this might be a potential solution. And obviously you could see where if we had to kind of stack this process up, that would be something that was fairly manageable. So, you know, the answer is not an ideal solution, probably not a necessary solution, but could be a solution for somebody who is trying to, you know, set up a factory and doesn't necessarily have the same access that everyone else has.